It's now the day of the match, and we need to pull all the shooters that have registered online onto our practiscore app. What we need is our practiscore pin, and you'll find that over here. This is your practiscore pin. What we will do is on our phone, we will open practiscore. We will say import, get match registration, and over here we will type in our pin. We are going to apply changes. And now, if we go to the top, we will see it says test match 1. And that there will now have all your information. All that needs to be done now is we go edit shooter, and we will add a shooter. We'll add myself. Test 1. Test 1. And select the rest. Save and return. We now have a shooter in our match. He's in squad 1. All of your squads will be bracketed by this thick grey bar. So now, we have our match. We are going to build stages. Say stage 1 has 8 targets. We're going to go edit, and at the bottom it says add target. Just going to click that till it says target 8. When we're done with that, we go back and we save. Stage 2 has 6 targets, but time is required. There we go. And we go so forth. To add one last thing, I personally like to make the squads rotate. So the first shooter shoots last on the next stage. We then save and go from there. This will finalize your match. Now that we have finalized our match and our import, the last thing we have to do is sync devices. All of your ROs, they will come with their phones or tablets or whatever device, and they will then pull the match from you. Your code is in the bottom left corner. My sync code here reads 01BC. That there is all that's needed. If we go back, now the match is finished. What we need to do is all the ROs need to come together with their devices. The main device will need to sync with every other device to pull their individual scores from their devices. And then you'll just type in whatever their codes are and click pull. Apply the changes and go on from there. Once you have synced all the devices, you will click view results. You will have your different categories, your stages, and if you were looking for an issue, you'd look in match scores. Combined, here we can see that this person did not get a score. Right, we can go back and see where the issue came. Okay, they didn't get a score for stage 1 or 2. Perfect, let's query it.